What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subbed, so please tap that big red subscribe button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as you can see, it does look as though Polygon has fallen out of this kind of bull pennant that we had been outlining here. Obviously we said that this was very likely to break to the upside or the downside very soon, and obviously with the market-wide correction that we saw in the past 7 or 8 hours, basically when Elon Musk tweeted something out again saying that he was breaking up with Bitcoin or something along those lines, basically the whole market fell, and Polygon was no exception. So as we can see, we have actually come back down to retest this area of support at around 155 here. We didn't actually reach this 150 level, which we did say would be very strong support if we did have a correction to the downside. A lot of people have been complaining in yesterday's video's comments saying that essentially we got the price action wrong because we were saying that it was probably going to go up, but we would like to say that we did quote saying barring any kind of catastrophic market-wide events, the price action would most likely go up. But as we can see, we have actually been in somewhat of a bearish trend for essentially around a day now with the flip of these EMAs, where we've been bouncing around. We couldn't flip the EMAs again, and then obviously we could have easily flipped and gone bullish here. But obviously the market-wide correction because of the FUD that Elon Musk has been spreading again, which is quite annoying at this point, I have to say, has led the market to basically coming down, and Polygon is no exception. So Polygon's fallen to around these levels here, to around 155. Retested this previous low that we saw here, but we have had a decent pickup so far. Currently trading at around 163. We're currently bouncing in and around this level of support and resistance here at around 162. So we've had a little correction to the downside for Polygon, but it's important to remember, if you're feeling quite annoyed about the price fluctuations day to day, then you'd probably be better off just holding your bags for a few months and coming back and seeing what's happened. If you're holding quality projects, it's most likely that you'll probably still be doing very well. Come back in a few years and you'll probably be doing even better. So as we said, we do these daily updates on Polygon, but it's also important to remember that the long-term perspective, not much has changed. We're still up from around 1.5 cents at the start of the year. As we can see back here, we're still up a massive amount, well over 9,000%. These are gains that you literally can't get anywhere else in the world, in our opinion. I don't think there's any other market that you can get these kinds of gains, really, with any great consistency like you can with cryptocurrency. If you bought Polygon a few years ago, it was literally tenths of a cent. If you bought Ethereum a few years ago, it was $100 or $200, if that. And then now the price is like well over $2,000, $2,500 at the time recording this video. So one thing that we would say is basically just don't get too caught up in the day-to-day, because it really is important that you just basically continue to look at the long term, because that's where the biggest gains will be made. Don't get too caught up in the minutiae of day-to-day, because in the end it doesn't really matter. It's nice to see your project going up, it's not nice to see it going down, but obviously you have to remember the long term is where the big gains will be had, and there's always going to be shakeouts in the market, as we saw here, where people will try and basically buy your crypto off you for cheap prices if you decide to sell. But as you can see, we bounced nicely, and in our opinion, we're still coiling somewhat nicely to a resolution here, where we're probably going to break to the upside pretty soon. As you can see, it does look as though there may be some kind of pennant forming here, where the price action is bouncing around in a smaller and smaller range until it has a nice break. So Bitcoin's fallen today. I think it's at around 37k at the time recording this video. So it did have a breakout and a retest of a bull pennant that we saw on the Bitcoin chart, but it does seem as though it's broken back inside that now and down to the downside along with the wider market, just because of one Elon Musk tweet. So We're getting quite frustrated with these tweets, to be honest, especially when the market looked as though it was about to break to the upside potentially and move above 41k. And then Elon Musk has tweeted one thing and everyone has decided to panic sell their bags again. So it's a bit of a frustrating time in cryptocurrency, but obviously for the long term, these things are probably not going to matter that much at all. We do think by the end of the year, Polygon could be well over $10, maybe $15 or $20, as we've said again. Our short-term price target for Polygon, we obviously want to see it have a very nice bounce off of this support line here. So we would definitely say we want to see the pickup and come back and reclaim these levels again above 180. If we can see this, basically keep bouncing around in these areas, we do think that the price action is probably going to break to the upside sooner rather than later. But obviously, if the market does start to roll again and we do have more of a market-wide correction, we could be looking at testing these 150 levels properly, as we've not actually tested them fully here, as you can see. And if we break below this macro blue trend line, then we're probably going to see some downside for Polygon. Maybe back down to $1 here would probably be the next big resistance, or this $1.30 level maybe, depending on the kind of correction that we could potentially see. But obviously, we're not expecting that things are going to go that low, considering the huge amount of demand that there is for Polygon below 150. As you can see, we've had a bounce here numerous times in the past few weeks. But obviously, you can't legislate for these catastrophic market-wide events like we've seen with Elon Musk tweeting again last night. So that's our update for Polygon today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to a YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with purevpn. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. So go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.